singer-songwriter, and I focus more on the pop and rock side of
So, don't you pa may define as all na?
Ang
Hindi na
music.
So, when ka nag-start ng career mo?
As a songwriter, well, actually, yung first release ko, I was still with my band, which is my brother. 2014 na yun.
Wow.
So, 10 years ago. And tapos nag-solo na ako 2018.
So, tanong ako anong masasabi mo dun sa quote ng mga tao na wala na raw future pag di ka nag-start ng career?
Kanya-kanya naman ang timeline. Siyempre, maraming factor yun. Either nakahilog, hindi pa sa time, yung style mo, hindi pa panahon, yung bagay. Pero, walang expiry date. I believe that talaga. As long as you keep going, okay lang ito. Pag umito ka, wala na.
So, meron ka bang mga inspiration sa mga sinusulat ng songs or tayo na lahat? Diba sabi ko kanina, lahat ng songs mo yung para sa Louie. So, may mga inspiration ka ba?
Hindi, pero lahat naman, or hindi naman lahat, for the most part, personal experience naman talaga. Mas madaling magsulat ng totoong nangyayari sa'yo. And mas madaling gantahin sa una. Pero katulad ganina yung mga kinanta. Ngayon, ang hirap niya ng natin kasi you have to relive that moment over and over. Ganun talaga. Naiyak na naman ako.
So, you have any new release song or mag-release ka pa lang ba? You wanna invite your fans to join in?
Yeah, well, last December 2, I released my most single entitled Pwede. For the past year kasi, and up to next year then, yung series ko na mga release na single is all about the first one, which is Rain Man. It's a book kasi tuloy-tuloy the story from the beginning to the relationship to the end, after the end. So, sana abangan ko. The most recent one is Pwede. Para sa mga frustrate na kasi parang ayaw ng world na mangyari siya. Thank you so much. Pwede on all platforms available.
So, meron ka bang mga upcoming events, shows that you would like to invite?
Well, right now, focus ako sa promotion of course ng Pwede. So, well, you can go to my page para alam niyo yung career gastings, TV gastings, Christmas. So, being a musician, happy yung oras sa job as a singer. Pero everything will be posted on my page. Go to Facebook or Instagram, you will see it. Alexandra.
Okay, do you have any message for your fans? Yung mga listeners mo?
First of all, thank you so much to everyone who has followed me so far for the past few years, and now yung mga bagong dumarating, still appreciating the songs that I put out there. You give me strength. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you.